friends, Chuck Guerra here, Professor PC. This is our first module on computer repair for this semester. As you can see, I have secured 2 laptops onto the work surfaces so that we may use the tools at our disposal to effectuate repairs. Now you notice there's more nails in the Hewlett-Packard one, and that's for a reason. Because I hate Hewlett-Packard. So anyway, when you get your laptop secured to your work surface, then you can begin working on it. And there's a variety of tools, especially in the computer repair business, to help you quickly and easily get inside of the laptop and service your customers' needs. So anyway, I'm used to yours. I'm not in love with jelly either. I only wish I had an apple up on this day.